The funniest part about his desire to constantly lick me is that he has to grab me and hold me while he does.
He just has to always be showing me affection. Okay, we're waiting to go into HomeSense to do some shopping and Beef won't leave me alone. Beefy! Beef is kind of just different from other cats, and this is Beef's lifestyle.
Let's go shopping, Beef. You're taking too long. Let's go, sir. Come on.
The lifestyle is a traveling cat that loves to shop and be around people.
You would wear a cat cape.
He would totally wear a cat cape. Beefy, come here. I want to see you. Oh my goodness, you're too funny.
So he's made it very clear that he wants to be a traveling Beef.
Sir, you can't roll around on HomeSense's floor. Come on, let's go. Come on, Beef, let's go. We're going to go decor shopping.
If I could take him everywhere with me, every moment of the day, he would probably be the happiest Beef alive. The more he goes places, the happier he is. He loves people. He loves to be around people.
Absolutely.
Never seen a cat in the store yet.
Hey.
Sometimes they'll walk in and they'll pull out their walkies. Guys, Meatball's here.
Look who it is, Beef.
Hello again. Oh yes. You can visit me every time here.
Look who it is, Beef.
Same with McDonald's. If I go through the drive-thru, they recognize my car now and they'll be like, oh, hi Candace, is Meatball with you? He'd be all over, you know, the people at McDonald's.
It's Miss Sue.
He absolutely and 100% knows when we were at McDonald's.
Oh, this is Beef waiting at McDonald's for his people to arrive.
Okay, let's see who's up here, Beef. Let's see if any of your friends are here. Tyler's here. Look, Beef. It's Tyler. Here's Mr. Tyler.
I love them. Oh my gosh. I love them.
He just brings so much happiness into a room.
Beef, are you waiting to pick up the kids?
He is so kind and gentle. Very, very, very loving. And he's got no fear. And he loves to adventure. And he makes all these things wrapped up into one little beef burrito. And it's just, how can you not just love everything?
I know, I love you too, Beef. I love you, Beef. I love you. You're such a good boy, Beef.
Come on. Good boy. Good boy, Beefers.